Dove Men+Care Fresh and Clean Fortifying Shampoo and Conditioner is specially engineered to provide a deep clean that leaves hair visibly stronger and more resilient. Dove Men+Care 2-in-1 Fresh and Clean Shampoo for Men functions both as a shampoo and conditioner, simultaneously cleaning and conditioning hair in just one step. This effective 2-in-1 formula also helps strengthen hair, leaving it visibly thicker, healthier, and more resilient against hair breakage. Dove Men+Care Fresh and Clean 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner is infused with caffeine and menthol to deliver a cool kick with every use. Our shampoo and conditioner works to wash away dirt and grease while strengthening hair. This shampoo for men goes well with Dove Men+Care Defining Pomade, Dove Men+Care Extra Fresh Body Wash, and Dove Men+Care Dry Spray Antiperspirant. Designed for men with oily hair. Effectively cleanses and protects hair from dryness. With caffeine plus menthol. For squeaky clean, fresh hair in every wash. Dove Men+Care. For stronger, healthy-looking hair every day. Care for your hair and the planet. 100% reusable plastic bottle. Globally does not test on animals. Top reviews from the United States. Great for men. I bought this for my husband and son. My son has really curly hair and he does not like to have it cut, so sometimes it is hard to manage. This product is great for him and the 2-in-1 is a plus. He loves having a pump bottle. When we run out, we will buy more.